welcome back. We're going to be going over vendors today inside of NYX. So this here is your average street vendor who's walking along the road, happens to see a vendor. Now, one way that we're using to open UI right now would be this little circle you see right here. Now, when you hold your hand inside that circle, it'll just bring up the UI. We will say right here, right now, this UI is very temporary. It's merely the code behind it that I want to showcase in this video. So yeah, you open it up. This here, it grabs all the items and everything from a PlayFab a store. So I can interchange all this and update this without having to push another game update. I can just do that on the web, and then it goes to the client like so. Now you'll see a cart price and my current balance. So that's how much I have in the cart. That's how much my player has in his inventory. You can also see on the left here all my items in my inventory currently, and I can decide, let's say I want to sell this Raider sword, I can sell it. Now the UI is very temporary, so it doesn't show you any values of what that is that I'm selling. But as you can see, I sold that item for 100 KB, as it's called. So let's say I'm out of magazines for my gun, which I am right now. If I equip this guy, you can see I can grab that, but I only have the plasma rifle magazines. I don't have any of the pistol magazines. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy some magazines. So we go here, we click buy. Now we get a little menu here, how much we want. Each one of these magazines is 10 cambit, so I say okay. Let's say I just want, maybe not 10, let's just say I want 2 of them. I can add to cart. You can see 20 cambit worth of magazines because each one of them is 10 in my cart. I have current balance of that. Okay, I can afford it. Let's try and purchase this. And as you can see, it took the money out, took the cart price there. Then if I go in my inventory, you can see I have more ammo. I can go ahead and equip that. And now I have ammo here, and I can shoot my gun. Awesome. Now let's say that you tried to buy an item that you did not have money for. So in this case, I'm going to buy, or try to buy, 291 magazines, okay? And prices aren't final, of course, but yeah, I'm going to try and buy that much. Oh, doesn't work. Wonder why. Don't have enough money. And that's just how it goes. So vendors is just like this. It works pretty well. It's a little buggy at the moment, but it's basically there. The UI definitely needs to be redone. But that's vendors. Now, if we move over here near these low-life thugs, let's hope to not engage in combat. Oh, this one guy wants to go. Okay, let's get rid of him real quick here. Don't want him interfering. He's gonna dissolve there. Awesome. This is our quest system. So this guy has a quest for us. I want to go ahead and see what that is. So I'm gonna put my hand in there. Now the UI at the moment, it needs to be able to figure out if it's colliding with an object. However, you can see he's got a quest for us. We can either close or accept this quest. I'm gonna go ahead and accept it. So now I have a quest there. This guy's asking for some liquids. It's a gathering quest. So I'm going to go walk around the environment. Since I am a GM, of course, I know exactly where the bottles are. But basically he's asking us to go grab these bottles right here. One thing also I have to do is figure out how to disable the holsters and not always be grabbing an item from your holsters when you want to grab a gatherable like this. But in this case, I'm going to grab these 2. Oh, yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. But yeah, I grab both of them, I get a little quest complete. And then I can go over here, turn in this quest to him. And what's he going to give me? Oh, he's going to give me that item. I'm going to accept that reward. I'm going to go into my blades. Oh, as you can see here, I have that item. I can go ahead and equip that. Oh, and there it is. Right in my inventory and in my hand now. activate nice little unique skill on it, and there we go. Now that's a little demo of quests, and of course all the quests as well are fully within PlayFab and controllable through there as well. So yeah, that's a little example of quests within NYX. Thanks for watching.